Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Fajar Ratnawati. I am from Polytechnic Negeri Bengkalis. First of all, I would like to thank the ICAS 2021 committee for giving me the opportunity to present my paper entitled Designing an Integrated Public Complaint System Regarding Public Services Using the Scrum Method. In Bengkalis, there is no integrated community complaint system. For that reason, we designed an integrated public complaint system that is expected to meet the needs of users, so that changing user needs can be overcome. The agile method is the solution. In this paper, we use one of the agile method, namely Scrum. The Scrum stage include the user story and product backlog, sprint planning, sprint backlog, and sprint. And then the first stage, user story. User story is the result of interviews with user, which is then documented from the needs of our software used in agile method. One of the advantage of user stories is that it is easy to adapt according to your software needs. And also user stories are described in a very natural language, so that people who do not have an IT background can understand the software being developed. The second stage, the product backlog. The product backlog is a list of user wishes in the form of expectation when this project has been completed. Here also we can continue to monitor whether the project we make are in accordance with the wishes of the user or not. The sprint backlog is the result of slice fragment of the product backlog where we think what we should develop, which must be completed first and how to do it so that the project is achieved according to the wishes of the users in the product backlog. And the sprint backlog is the result of sprint planning. Sprint planning is the first event inside a sprint. The Scrum team plans the item they are going to deliver in the sprint and why they will deliver them. Each Scrum project is a set of sprint. A sprint is a container for the other four events, including sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. The following is a description of the result of the collected user story. There are 4 actors with each access right in the system. There are people, discommunistic, OPD, and regional leaders. And this is the result of the product backlog with which is categorized based on priority, namely high priority, medium priority, and low priority. And then this is the product backlog, which is displayed using a table. Consists of ID, product backlog item, priority, and initial estimate. There are 4 sprints by priority, namely sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, and future sprint. This future sprint is a system implementation so that the system can actually be used by users. Sprint 1 consists of creating admin dashboard templates, create complaint category data management, create OPD data management. Sprint 2 consists of create Android application design and creating citizen login and registration feature. Sprint 3 consists of create a public complaint feature, create a chat feature between the community and OPD, create forum feature, create a feature to send a warning from the leadership to the OPD. Okay, the daily scrum is depicted on the burn down chart. In the picture, the actual task day remaining line away from the ideal task remaining line, which means that the implementation is not in accordance with the estimate time that has been planned. On the burn down chart, sprint 2 shows the actual task day remaining line is below the task remaining line. This condition indicates the sprint will be completed earlier than previously set time estimate. On the burden chart sprint 3, the condition is almost the same as sprint 2, which means that the sprint will finish earlier than the estimated time that was previously set. The next step is a sprint review. The system demo is done with a direct tutorial using a system design application, namely Adobe XD. After the demo tutorial is done, the user provides a review and input on the system design that has been implemented. The result of the review and input from users will be carried out in the next sprint before being further developed so that it can actually be used by the user. And then sprint retrospective on this phase is carried out by holding a meeting to evaluate the team's performance for one sprint with a maximum time duration of 3 hours. This is done to make plans regarding performance improvement that will be carried out in the next sprint. From the presentation above, it can be concluded that the Scrum method can be applied to mid-scale system with a limited number of development team. The Scrum method can overcome changing requirement from user evaluation result. For the next research stage, a future sprint is carried out so that it becomes a complete system that is in accordance with user needs and can be used by the community. Thank you.